Welcome back. So today we're gonna do another DIY video. So as you know, this is the 2009 Alto. So you know that every cars do have these switches which is responsible for that light. Right, it is on off position right now. So as you can see, when the door is open, the light will glow, but when it is closed, the light goes off. But the thing is, that switch never came back for the red doors. It was this cap which came on both the sides. That's the other one. So we're gonna install that on the rear doors and make that light functional according to that. Now this screw, you'll be thinking, from where did this screw come from? That also, it was blank. The small dot was there inside that. This screw I sourced from somewhere that I'll show in some time. And about the switches, yes, I have got them from a donor car, which is the Suzuki Baleno, the first generation. This is the switch. Since I needed two, I got only two of them. And I have made the wiring as well. So we don't require any much wiring, only just one wire. So I'm gonna split this wire, and you'll be thinking, where's the ground? It will take the ground from this. So let's install, and I'll show you how I'll connect it to that. And yeah, and the screws I have sourced from this. So this is another idea which I'm working on. Let's see. We'll have to remove this panel and this panel, and also undo this switch. Same will be on the other side, so we'll be doing on one side. And now let's do it. Let's open up this and then I'll show you. In order to remove this panel, we have three clips. So it is just the typical Maruti clips, which you just press inside, it goes in, and then it comes out. To just press it inside, and now the panel will just come out like this. These are the clips. Same way we're gonna remove this also. In order to remove this panel, it's just like peeling off. So you take this and you just get it out this way. So I'll just remove that and then I'll show you. Just unscrew it, but don't yank it off, because there's a connector behind it which we are gonna work with. So if your connectors are stuck, then use some WD-40 and it will come. So this is the connector which I was talking about. So about the connector, this is the connector behind. Don't yank it because it is connected. So in order to do that, you have a plug, press it, and then it will come out. It's that easy. So and then the switch will just come out this way. Same we're gonna do that side. Since we have removed this panel, it's so dirty, really be cleaning that. So I've now cleaned the door step. Next step which we have to do is remove this rubber, as we need to remove this carpet, just a little space behind the carpet, so we can pass our wire through that. And we'll be routing the wires with the existing wiring behind, which is this, which is already going, and we'll get it here. Same for the other side. So for now I have installed the rear button and the wiring also I've put out. You might be wondering how it is. This is the flap, that's the screw, it is touching the ground, and now we'll just close it. This is the wiring which will be routing it from here till there, and I'll show you the working. So this will do its contact here. So if I close this and I show you, there's no issue in that. So let's do it. For now I've installed on one side. I'll show this working. See, the lights are off. Now I'm gonna open this door, and then you will notice. I'll show you in this angle. Okay, see, and close it again. I open. Okay, now I'll show you the switch working. Just press and see. is working. So there you go. Let's do it on the other side. Then I'll show you the whole car. And it is finally ready. As you can see, it is off. So opening the back door, it is on. Same way it works with the other side as well. So I'll just show you how I installed the switch. Same way, as you can see, it is here. So it is functional with all the doors. Opening the front left also, it is on. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll like this video. And soon I'm gonna get more videos. One will be that light, and another will be something with respect to the boot. So yeah, stay tuned and please subscribe. Thanks for watching.